I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. I am in my new apartment with 3 other girls. I'm gonna be making my first homemade pizza here. Now, I'm not the best chef, but I'm trying to learn, you know. I'm just gonna kind of wing it. So we have Italian season, oregano. I really wish we had garlic. While I make the pizza, I'm going to be giving different advice on lessons I've learned over my college experience. By the way, I've preheated it to 450. I use this. You can actually use an actual pizza like dough and roll it out, but we don't have time for that, so we're just using one already made for us. The first lesson. Pause for laundry. The first lesson I learned: never give up your independence for anyone, anything, and if you can be happy alone, you can be happy for the rest of your life. The second piece of advice I would say is to kick out all the people in your life that make you feel like a certain way. You don't want to feel like dumb. There's no need for them in your life, and it's mainly stemming from their insecurities. All right, time to put this in. Alright, so we're going to give that about 10-15 minutes to cook. The next thing that I learned in college, that not everyone's going to like the same things you like or do the same things you do, but that doesn't mean that you don't have to be friends with them. Like, yes, obviously, if it triggers you or something like that and it's like bad influence, that's one thing. Personally, I don't do a lot of the partying. Like, I go out sometimes, but I rather hit the gym and then have a night in and bake and stuff like that. I love the people that like to do the same things as me, but most of my roommates do things that I don't normally do, and I love them. I have some amazing times with them. Just because someone has different beliefs than you, someone thinks something different than you, does not mean you guys cannot be friends and have an amazing time. Another thing I learned, everyone in their mind has like this idea of what they want. That stems from the past and it stems from what you know. But sometimes what the future holds is so much better than what you want or what you know. I know it's kind of confusing, but like recently I've been through a breakup. What I thought I wanted was him and this whole life surrounded by him, but that's just because that's all I knew. In reality, I deserve better. There's so much more coming in my future that's good. I can't see it yet, but I have to trust that my future is bright and that it's meant to be, and whatever happens is going to be so much better than what I ever imagined. I think that has been like a really, really hard lesson to learn. Because if you have to let go of someone or something and you have no choice but to do so, why are you still holding on? Because obviously you're not meant to be. Obviously the situation's not meant to be. Obviously you have growing to do. Obviously you have a new chapter to live. And it's amazing. It's awesome. And this leads to my next advice. Guys, I love giving advice because I just learned so much recently that I just want to share. It's okay to not be okay. And I would hear this, and I'd be like, yeah, obviously, okay. But until I realized, like, to sit with your emotions and just cry, like, literally just, like, have those moments of sadness, and then just knowing that it's just gonna take time to heal. You have to sit with your emotions. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. It's just like, it's okay that you're not gonna be okay. And it's okay if you've been doing okay for such a long time and you crash and you're not okay. That's okay. Everything's okay. Okay? Let's check on the pizza, actually. I need a TED Talk. I already have a podcast. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I don't have a pizza cutter, so we're gonna have to use a knife. Alright, we got a slice here. It looks kind of crazy. Cheers. Hopefully you're eating with me or something. Or else you're just watching me eat. It's kind of weird. It's so good. I would give this a good 8 out of 10. I've had better, but it's also really good. I personally love homemade pizza better than pizza from anywhere else. My last piece of advice is, I know, especially if you're a girl, college can be hard to embrace yourself and your body. It's easy to just not eat, but college is a time where you can work on that because you get to choose what you eat. I know not everyone has all the money in the world and it's hard to eat healthy or eat 3 meals a day, but don't be hard on yourself, especially if you want to go out and have fun memories over food, okay? It's not worth not eating and not treating yourself because of what a guy thinks of you or what girls think of you, because at the end of the day, we're all gonna die anyways, right? Hopefully one piece of advice helped someone. Go make a pizza. Probably better than mine. It's not what it looks like that matters, it's what it tastes like. Thanks for watching. I love you guys so much. Have a great school year. If you're in school, peace out.